What is happening, everybody? We're back with another shop update. We missed you last week, we missed you yesterday, but we're here to showcase everything that is new and everything that's going on here at Spawn Fly Fish, and there's been a lot. First and foremost, we want to thank everybody that came out last week and celebrated our in-store 2-year anniversary. It was an awesome success. It was a ton of fun getting to see everybody, bringing everybody together, talking fishing, having hot dogs, sharing drinks. Everything about it was awesome, and we can't thank you guys enough. So, segueing into what's new, we do have a lot of stuff. So it's been about 2 weeks since we saw you guys last, and over those 2 weeks we've added some new products as well as some new brands to Spawn Fly Fish. So we're super excited about that. We're going to start off with fly tying. We don't have a lot given that we leaned into beads, and those of you guys that shop beads know that beads are expensive, but we did add every color of silver pheasant body feathers from Hareline. So we got all the colors. They look great. Really cool feather. If you haven't used it, highly recommend grabbing some. Again, we got every color in stock here at Spawn Fly Fish, ready to ship. Segueing into some newer products as well in the fly lines category, we got 2 new fly lines. These are fly lines that have been asked for us to stock, asked if we could get them for them, especially the Flats Pro. So, those of you that are going to target some warm water salt species, this is a great line. We've got to cast it here in the shop many times with the rep group from Rio, and it's all-purpose, all-around fantastic line for those of you that are going to tackle the flats. The creek line, we're excited to use this. We do fish a lot of smaller streams here, and we'll be throwing this on our lines as we get after fishing this weekend, or on our reels, not our lines. But 2 new options, 2 great lines. Rio makes a great product, so super excited about that. Segueing into a new brand. It's been some times in the making. Corkers is here. So we have a large Corkers selection of products now on the website. We also have not just the boots, but we have accessories and whatnot that are hitting our website today and tomorrow. But the bulk of what is Corkers is live and ready to ship out the door. We're really excited about this. It's a little bit better price point as well as a quality product. So we're excited to get people out on the water. The interchangeable of the grips here is also phenomenal. Big fan of that. Pete and I do have pairs of Corkers and have utilized them day in, day out on the water, and all around fabulous product. Last thing we want to talk about as far as new products, and definitely coolest, is the Spawn Fly Fish new merch. So we went more localized with this merchandise. So we got the albacore on the back. This is just a really awesome t-shirt. New one to the edition. We have them in every size. Another one, again, following that kind of theme of localized. This is an Owako t-shirt, Spawn Fly Fish. This is a little more of a hardy t-shirt. So this is one that you can wear on the boat, wear fishing, wear on the job site. This is going to be a tougher, a little bit thicker profile t-shirt. Always a good thing to have in your garments. Last but not least, we have the same albacore, but now we got a hoodie. This has been something that we've been requested many times. Why don't you guys have just a general all-purpose hoodie? We got one now. So, 3 new pieces here for Spawn Fly Fish. We will look to continue to add to this in very brand-specific gear, so we're super excited about that. So 3 new pieces. Definitely pick one up today if you haven't already. A lot of them went out the door during our 2-year anniversary celebration. As far as dates go, we don't have any dates, so we're going to segue again right into fishing. As some of you guys that follow this channel saw, the Pete and I have been getting out and fishing Stillwater. It's been so good that we figured we could bring the camera out there and find success, which we did. So they've stocked all of them. It's going to continue to be really good here for the next several weeks with all of our Southwest Washington lakes as the water temperature continues to warm up. Do remember to, if you want to find some of those bigger fish, if you saw the video, I did switch to a little bit heavier fly and got down into a little bit different water column. Some of those bigger fish are sitting down low, and that's the way to get after them. As far as the jetty goes, we're still dealing with a bunch of debris in the water. That warm weather that has hit the Pacific Northwest has caused all sorts of chaos for the jetty down here. But we are itching for that water clarity to clean up, the debris to pass on, and it will be lights out here soon. We know it. The big thing on the horizon this weekend, all of our streams and rivers open up, and we are so beyond eager to get out there. It's been something that we've been looking forward to since it closed later this past winter, and we will be getting out on the opener for sure. We will also be trying to film some video now that we've got out on the water, dipped our toes in what it's like to create an on-the-water film. Look forward to much, much more of that on the way. That does it. That was a lot. Talked a lot. Gave a lot of information. Check out all this new stuff, especially the new spawn gear. You need it. And as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit like, be sure to hit subscribe, and we will see you guys next week.